How to file Uber taxes on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you drive for Uber, Uber Eats, or any rideshare delivery service, you are considered self-employed. That means you need to file taxes as an independent contractor using Schedule C. In order to do that, you first of all want to get all of your Uber tax documents. Then you want to choose the right TurboTax version and sign into your account. Open your tax return and click on Federal, then click on Wages and Income. Here you want to select Self-Employment Income and Expenses. Click on Start or Edit option. Now you want to enter ride sharing as your business type. Then you will have to enter your 1099 NEC or 1099K income. Now you can deduct business expenses to lower your taxable income. Now, since Uber doesn't withhold taxes, you must pay income tax and self-employment tax. After that is done, TurboTax will calculate this automatically and suggest quarterly tax payments if needed. Then you can e-file your tax return for the fastest processing. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.